In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure for either your single flue or multi-flue chimney cap. First, you'll need to know what type of chimney you have. There are two main types, including a clay flue and a metal flue. Traditional flues typically service a masonry-style fireplace, and clay tiles make up the exhaust system. Let's start with a single flue masonry-style chimney. Single flue chimneys need a single flue cap. To find the right cap size, you need to determine if your clay liner is proud or protruding out of your cement crown, or if it is flush with the cement crown. If your clay liner is proud, you're going to need to measure the outermost dimensions of the liner, including your length, width, and height. There are three different styles of chimney caps: your standard single flue cap, your top mount, or your outside mount. A standard single flue cap is designed to be fastened directly onto the liner. A top mount cap has flanges along the outside and is designed to be fastened directly into your cement crown. And lastly is the outside mount cap. These are designed to fit directly over your cement crown, similar to that of a shoebox lid. Once you have the dimensions of your clay liner, you can now choose which style cap you'd like in the dimensions you need. If you do go with the standard single flue mount cap, you'll only need the outside dimensions in order to fit that onto your clay liner. If you choose to go with the top mount as well, you're going to need those same outside dimensions. An important thing to note when looking at top mount caps is simply that the flanges along the outside are usually about 1.5 inches in length. You'll want to be aware of that while taking your measurements. Those flanges will be fastened to the cement crown surrounding your clay liner. If you decide to go with an outside mount cap or a custom chimney cap, you'll need those same dimensions as earlier. But in addition to those, you will also need the outside length and width measurements of your cement crown. This way your cap can fit securely on top. Now, if your chimney doesn't have a clay liner, or your clay liner sits flush with the cement crown, you're going to need a different set of measurements. Instead of using outside dimensions, you're going to need to actually measure the inside, both length and width, of your chimney. In this case, the chimney cap will actually be a compression fit. Sticking with single flue chimneys, let's move on from clay flues and look at metal flues. This is a stick-built chimney chase. These prefabricated single metal pipes go on top of your chimney and help drain water off to the sides. Regardless of if your metal pipe is either double-walled or single-packed, you'll want to measure the innermost dimensions here. With that being said, you'll also want to contact the manufacturer of that stick-built chase. This way you know that you're buying the correct cap to sit on top of it. A cap that doesn't fit properly will result in blocked airflow. Let's move on to measuring for multi-flue chimney caps. Here you'll need a single chimney cap in order to cover multiple flues. There are 5 basic measurements that you'll need to take. First, measure the length of all the flues from the outermost sides. Next, find the width. Then you'll measure the width of the entire chimney, or cement crown, followed by the length of the entire cement crown. The last measurement is extremely important, and it is the height of your tallest flue. The screen height of whatever cap you choose needs to be at least 5 inches taller than your tallest flue. With these measurements, you can now choose if you would like a standard flue cap, a top mount, or an outside mount. If you have any other questions or are ready to purchase your chimney cap, give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.